students, welcome to Academic Heights. Learn from home. Why Academic Heights? For clarity, for concepts, for core, for competency. Overall, your turning point starts here. I am ready to teach you. Are you ready to learn? Discussing case study questions for class 10th. Topics triangles. Let us see the last case study in the triangles topic. This is case study number 3. So you can read all this information what he has given in the case study. I will take important point in this. One is the definition of the scale factor. Scale factor is equal to length in the image by corresponding length in the object. So this is a scale factor. In this question he has clearly given the scale factor is how much? It is 1:200. What do you mean by 1? It is length in the image, length in the photograph also we can take it. Now what is 200? So exactly it is how many times it is increased? 200 times it is increased. So 1:200. So this concepts generally will studied in social studies also in map pointing. So between distance between the two countries, we can look in the, we can identify in the graph is very small, but actually the distance is different. So same thing here also we are applying in this question. Let us see the question now. So he has given the pic of rail engine here. This means that length of 1 centimeter on the photograph above corresponds to length of 2 centimeter or 2 meters of in actual engine. The scale is also written as in the ratio of 2 lengths. So clearly he has given that. Earlier he has given the scale factor it as 1:200. We can use this one in the questions. If not, 1 centimeter on the photograph. So 1 centimeter on the photograph is equal to 2 meters in actual. 2 meters in actual. So this also we can use it. 1 centimeter is equal to 2 meters also we can use it. If not, 1:200. This is the better choice. 1:200 is the better choice. In the sums we can take it as 1 centimeter in the image. Actually that is 2 meters in actual size. So let us solve these questions. Before solving the questions, we will talk about similarity. So scale factor when it will change. So in this rotation, in this turn, the scale factor does not affect. In the reflection, in the flip, the scale factor does not affect. Similarly, in the translation, in the slide, the scale factor does not affect. Means here in the 3 cases, scale factor is actually it is 1. Means the size is not enlarged, not diluted. Exactly image as well as actual, it is same in size. So if you turn, if you flip, if you slide, the image as well as actual both in the same size. So scale factor does not affect here. Scale factor affects in these 2 cases. When it is dilated, when it is enlarged. Suppose the small triangle it is enlarged to this one. This triangle, enlarged triangle, it is decreased in the size, dilated. So in this case, the scale factor will be more than 1 or maybe it is less than 1. If it is more than 1, enlargement will happen. If it is less than 1, it is dilated will happen. So scale factor will affect here. So K becomes something A by B. It becomes A by B in the form of A by B. So this is about the scale factor. Now we'll solve the questions. So again, I'm talking about enlargement. This triangle is enlarged 2 times and we are getting this enlargement. This triangle, it is dilated in half exactly and we got this triangle. This is about the scale factor in enlargement and in dilated. Let us see the questions now. If the length in the model is 11 centimeters, then the overall length in the engine in the photograph above, including couplings, mechanism used to connect is. So clearly we know that 1 centimeter is nothing but 2 meters in actual. Now he has given the length of the model is how much? 11 centimeter. The length of the model is 11 centimeter. That is actual in size how much? So 1 centimeter is equal to 2 meters. 11 centimeter is equal to clearly 11 into 2 meters. 2 meters. 11 into 2 meters. 11 times of 2 meters. That is 22 meters. Clearly 22 meters. So here your option is 22 meters. If not same sum, we can do by this one also. Here clearly scale factor he has given by 1 by 200. In the earlier we have discussed about the scale factor. In the question he has given 1 is to 200 is equal to length in the image. He has given 11 centimeter. So 11 centimeter by what is the corresponding length in the object. He is asking what is actual in the engine. So I am taking it as x. Cross multiply, it will get the answer. So this x will go here and this 200 will go here. Therefore, x is equal to 11 centimeters into 200. X is equal to 2200 centimeters. If I convert into meters, clearly 22 meters I will get it. So in whichever method it is very easy, we can solve the sum in that way. So I hope first method is better choice. If 1 centimeter in the image, in actually it is in 2 meters. What about 11 centimeter in the model? In actual, what is in size? So 11 into 2, that is 22 meters. Question number 2. What will affects the similarity if any two polygons? Already I discussed it. In rotation or flip or in translation, similarity doesn't affect. In mirror image also doesn't affect. But when it is not similar, so we'll see each and every option now. They are flipped horizontally, it will not affect the similarity. They are dilated by the scale factor, not affects the similarity. They are translated down, in this case also it is not affects. So they are the mirror image of one another, but he has given here in the sentence not. They are the mirror images of the another. It's okay, but he has given one of the negativity sentence, it is not. They are not the mirror image of one another. So then definitely similarity will affects. When they are not the mirror image, how they will be similar? So here we'll take the option as D. In remaining 3 options it doesn't affects, but at D it affects, similarity affects. Third question. What is an actual width of the door? If the width of the door in the photograph is 0.35 centimeters. Again same, we can use this scale. 1 centimeter in the photograph is same as 2 meters in actual. So here is the question he has given 0.35 centimeter in the image or in the photograph. What is in reality? In reality it is how much? Clearly 0.35 into, we have to multiply with 2 meters. So multiply with this one. So here clearly I'm getting 0.7 meters. 0.7 meters. So this is 0.7 meters. If not, we can use the scale factor also. We can do this one. What is the scale factor? Here scale factor is how much it is? 1 by 200. 1 by 200 is equal to the image length is how much here it is? 0.35. It is in centimeters by x. I'm taking actual width is x I'm taking. So cross multiply this. You will get x is equal to 0.35 centimeters into 200. When we multiply with the 200, the decimal point will go here. So 35 into 2 centimeters. So clearly that is 70 centimeters. What do you mean by 70 centimeters? If you convert into meters, 70 by 100. 70 by 100 meters. So 0, 0 get cancels. Again, you got it as 0.7 meters. So clearly, once again, you got 0.7 meters. In the both the ways I have explained, whichever method you liked it, you can solve in that way. Here we go to the question number 4. If two similar triangles have a scale factor of 5:3, which statement regarding two triangles are true? First of all, you have to understand the scale factor 5:3. What do you mean by 5:3? Means their corresponding sides are in the ratio. Their corresponding sides are in the ratio 5:3. Not only sides are in the ratio 5:3, their altitudes also in the same ratio. The altitudes h1 by h2 also in the same ratio. Not only heights, perimeter also in the same ratio. Their medians also in the same ratio. Median 1 and median 2 is also in the same ratio. It is related to scale factor only. All sides are proportional. Heights also in the same ratio. Perimeters also in the same ratio. Medians also in the same ratio. Now, if I take 5:3 is equal to, now which ratio is equal to 5:3 here? This is not equal to 5:3. So we can discard here. So 25 by 15. So if I simplify 25 by 15, clearly 5 5s are 5 3s are. So which is equal to 5 by 3. It is equal to scale factor. So here is the option is altitudes have the ratio 25:15 is the right option. In the remaining all, it doesn't shoots any option. So which ratio after simplification you are getting 5:3? How to find out? That will be the answer here. That is the fourth question. I hope it is clearly understood. Question number 5. He has given the figure ABC as well as ADE triangles. He is asking what is the length of AB. So angle A is common for both the triangles, for small triangle as well as big triangle. Angle A is common, and in the both the triangles we have 90-90. In the both the triangles we have these two angles are equal. Clearly triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADE. Why? Because of based on angle similarity. Two triangles are similar if they have two pairs of corresponding angles are congruent. So here clearly 90-90 is both are equal, as well as this angle and this angle is clearly it is equal, and angle A is common angle. So clearly triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADE. Now we can take the proportionalities. AB by AD is equal to BC by DE. So when two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are in proportional. So I can take AB by AD is equal to BC by DE. Not only this, I can write it as AC by AE also, but it is not useful here. AC by AE. This is not related to our question. I am keeping aside. So AB, what is AB length? He has clearly given X. X by AD. What is AD? Clearly given X plus 5. X plus 4. AD length is nothing but this plus this one. The total length from here to here, it is X plus 5. Is equal to BC. BC is 3 here. And DE. DE is how much? 6 here. So simplify it, you will get the answer. X by X plus 4 is equal to 1 by 2. Clearly it will cut by 3 table. It is 1 by 2. So cross multiply it and get it. So 2x is equal to this much. So 2x is equal to x plus 4. Clearly if I take this x this side, so 2x minus x is equal to 4. X is equal to clearly 4. So I got the answer as 4. So your option is 4 here. So very, very important. This sum we have done by AA similarity. Why? Because of at B it is 90 degree. At D is also 90 degree. And clearly he has given at C and at E also both the angles are equal. So by angle similarity we have applied, their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. I have taken AB by AD is equal to BC by DE. I got the answer as 4. So that's all about this question. So in the first question, clearly we got 22. So we'll cross check the answers. We'll got first question 22 meters correct. They are not the mirror image of any one another. So it is also correct. 0.7 meters correct. Their altitudes have in the ratio 25 is to 15. If you simplify, you will get 5 is to 3. So that is nothing but a scale factor. It is correct. And fifth question, it is 4 centimeters. All questions we got it as correct. You also try it and get it.